Welcome back to Stock Market Mindset with Slick the Trader. Today we're going to recap this live trade I took with options puts on SPY. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see in the chart, pushed up, open, off of CPI data. As you can see, we based there. High today, rejected 1, 2, 3, about 4 times. 5-minute chart. If you look at this 15-minute chart, rejected high today, came down into a doji, engulfing candle, a little wick up, like another little doji. Clear that out. Okay, so you can see I waited, then I entered, seen the EMAs cross, got that rejection, fell down. Okay, perfect. I ended up adding into my position, so 21%. I moved my stop loss up to break even on the second contract. Had a sell order in on the first contract. Brought it down a little bit so it could grab. Boom, stop loss, boom, out. Held that position, end up taking the stop loss off. You'll be able to see that in a sec. And then that we're moving the stop loss. Say I'm just gonna let it ride because I just felt as though we was gonna get an even harder rejection. I just started to notice that I took the stop loss off, but I kept saying we were just getting this rejection. You know what I mean? Like in these EMAs, like my thing was like if we closed over the EMAs on a 5-minute, I wasn't gonna stay in. But I just had conviction, like, I mean, we pumped up all day, we based here, couldn't get any higher. So I was like, nah, I'm staying in this. I actually believe I went negative on this trade for a little bit, but I just had that conviction. Like sometimes you just got that feeling. I mean, we pumped completely all day, and then we just based out. I was like, yeah, we're going down. So as you can see, like if I had left my stop on, I would have been out because I would have been at break even. You know, I mean, which would have been smart to do because, you know, obviously it basically made it a risk-free trade, but I would have got stopped out and probably wanted to hop back in. And I had so much conviction, like these weak pops, you know, rejecting, you know, this resistance line under that 9 EMA, this doji candle. I was like, yeah, we going down now. You see, we kept getting those wicks of pops, just grabbing liquidity and things like that, you know, out of the trade. As you can see my options, we back up in profit. So I was just kind of waiting it out. And as you can see, we got this, start to get that rejection right there. Okay. I think we pop back up again just a little bit. Also seeing basically like a bear flag forming here. See right there, it's a bear flag. See that start to come down here. I'm also looking at the volume profile lobes and saying, listen, we got this volume gap right here. And we should at least fall down here. 15 minutes looking good, still rejecting that 9 EMA. As you can see, over here on the options chart, you know, we got a strong wick, strong buying, got some volume coming in. We're pushing down. When we're getting the rejection I'm looking for. I got one runner left. Up 13-14%. I'm still looking at that bear flag forming on the 15. definitely 1 on the 5. EMAs have crossed over, pointing down. Sell volume coming in. Alright, so 5-minute doji. Basically, I'm just showing y'all the whole complete trade that I took. Sort of a long video, probably longer than it should be. But okay. All right, you say we get this wick down, but I just felt like these pops was weak. I mean, just look at them. Like if you look at that 5-minute, look at that 15. You get these little weak pops. I mean, it's buying, but it's just not really heavy. Retest up here, back in the negative again on these contracts. Mind you, these are 0 days out of the money. So I'm watching the 15 here. All right, we're either gonna make a bear flag, we're gonna be reverse up, but I just wasn't feeling it with that 15-minute doji. And as you can see, week 5-minute, week 15, back in profit on those contracts. Boom, 5-minute candle turn red, 15-minute candle turns red. We still bearish, still rejecting that 9. Just still holding. I mean, these are the type of setups I like. You look for. I mean, you kind of wait all day, you know, until a trade comes to you, rather than you going looking for a trade and forcing a trade. Right, you can see we push back up here. Contracts go back in the negative. I'm still holding, down 10%. Nothing to be too scared about. It was only one contract. I already got profit on the day on the other contracts, and now we basically risking like a little under half of the profits that we made on the first contract. Get this push up. I'm still saying if we don't really close over this 9, which we didn't on the 5-minute. Rejected 21 right there. You see that high volume low right there, high volume shelf. Rejecting that area, rejecting it on the 15. EMAs haven't crossed over or showed any sign of crossing back over. I'm just chilling and waiting. Down 11%. Not getting shaken out, not getting freaked out, not letting the market shake me out, just playing the charts. And that's what trading is about. You gotta play the charts, not your P&L. Don't pay attention to this P&L down there. Don't be like, oh my God. I mean, you know, you can have your stop loss. Like I took mine off because it was kind of risk-free trade. It's like, listen, if I lose all my gains on the day, I'll get out at this low, which was my original stop loss when I started. I had moved it up to break even, but I just had so much conviction that like, yo, we were gonna sell off for the rest of the day. Just knew it was like, there was no way that we were staying up this high. I mean, we just couldn't really. I mean, we've rejected this so many times. Rejected hard here. And these are like big key levels. So yellow lines are like pre-market highs and basically key levels. And you know, the other lines are basically strong resistance levels. And there goes the rejection. There you go. You got a doji to an inverted hammer. And look at those contracts fly. When we come down, up 15%. I said, no, I think we're going lower, especially if we break past this wick. Now we're getting some momentum. Look at that 15 minute. Look at those contracts flying. Big engulfing candle. Almost engulfing that wick. Look at that. Look at those contracts. That's how you have conviction. 31%. Big follow through. Look at that. Started to get a little bit of rejection. Like I said, some buying in here. Still some buy orders there. I mean, these are the type of trade you look for. Look at those EMAs. Starting to really push down. Double doji. 15 minute. That's how you use kind of a higher time frame for a little more confirmation. Still haven't sold yet. Momentum is still to the downside. Look at the 5 minute, look at that 15. I mean, that is the perfect setup. You ain't gotta overcomplicate things, you know what I'm saying? Read Candlestick Bible, learn what each candlestick means, learn higher highs, higher lows, you know, learn supply and demand, you know, put those things together, build your little strategy, and, you know, get to work, you know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that engulfing candle off that doji on that 15 minute. Boom, look at those contracts. Almost 40%. I end up in a sell order in. I didn't care about your good faith violation. Never get one. Move that down. Got out. Took my profit. I got filled is what happened. Try it again. I was actually gonna move this up. I moved it down. That's what happened. Yeah, I was out of buying power. I brought these contracts without like even having buying power. I had took some trades earlier, but I ended in day green. I think I was negative like $60 at the beginning of the morning, trying to go against the trend. Had no buying power left. This is actually the only trade I caught on video. So I'm just chilling out, waiting, seeing what comes. I seen that start to break this wick again. This level. I think I end up entering like one more contract for like a small scalp, at like 10%. Boom, I seen that breaking down. I said, let me take one more trade. Took one. Don't care about your good faith violation. Get out of here. Move it. Beat it. Got in, seeing profits quickly, moved my stop up. Boom. You know, I think it's like $4 or $5. Yep, give me that money. Just a little extra sauce on the day, no risk, and stop tight. Yeah, I wasn't playing around. Listen, I wasn't trying to get nothing back. Keep the stop tight. Boom, give me my money. Quick $5, enough to give me a cheeseburger later. You know what I'm saying? So listen, I mean, it was perfect. You know, don't rush things. Just wait for a trade come to you. You know, watch the charts, see things set up, have your contract picked out, check your IV, check your volume on the contract, and take the trade. Listen, thanks for watching. Stock Market Mindset with Slick the Trader. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Please leave comments. Let me know how your trading is going. If you got any advice you feel as though you want me to know, let me know. Please donate to the channel. You know, I do this for free. I ain't a millionaire trader yet. Soon to be, will be very soon. As you can see, I'm getting better by the day. My videos are getting better. I'm hoping to be able to take these videos and, turn them into something.